Hey guys, today we're doing a little unboxing video with a package from Lombard Hobbies, which I actually got a little while back. I've been super excited to get this, and you may already know what it is if you do follow me on Instagram. Of course, one thing I do love about buying from them is you get a pack of fruit snacks with every order. And here's a little preview, as you can see on the front of the box, of what I got. This is my first Athearn Genesis locomotive, and I do know that they are some of the best, and that's pretty much why I chose this. But of course, you do pay, a good premium price for them. So the first thing that comes up is a sheet with all of the details that are actually on the locomotive, and obviously what type of model the actual train is. Then you do get your operator's manual, and also here is my little buddy to come sniff it out as he always does. There is a spare part, which I'm not sure exactly where it goes. Some of you probably already know what it is. If you do know, let me know in the comments. I'm not sure what it is exactly. It goes without saying, but the packaging is top notch, and honestly it should be with how much detail is on the locomotive. And there it is. I was amazed with how nice it looks and the attention to every little detail. Like I said, it is a pricier engine, but you do get your money's worth with how much they pay attention to the small things. The reason why I did get this locomotive in particular is because it's what I actually see locally in my yard right next to the sugar mill in my town. This one is a retired CN unit, and it actually belongs to the Great Western Railway, but I'm pretty sure it's the same exact engine, except the prototype is obviously far more weathered than the one I have. Maybe someday I might weather it, I'm not really sure. So that's going to be my quick little unboxing today of the new locomotive. It's a pretty rare occasion that I do get a locomotive, obviously because of the cost of these guys. Of course, thank you guys for watching, and hopefully I see you guys soon in the next episode of the Layout Build series. And I do want to let you guys know that I'm still getting over a slight cold. I've pretty much been sick all of September, so that's pretty much why I do sound a little raspy. So I do apologize for that, but anyways, I'll see you guys later in the next video.